Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn cube roots. Already you know that the square root. What did you study the square root? Square root of methods of square root. What did you study the methods of square root? So first one square root. Second one prime factorization method. Third one finding the square root. Next one is approximation of a square root. And another one is a square root of product and quotient of numbers. These are the studies of a methods of square root. Okay. So now we are going to learn cube root. Now we are going to learn cube root. Same method of cube root. Okay. So first one square root. To understand cube roots, first we must understand cubes. How to cube a number? To cube a number, just multiply a number by itself 3 times. So just multiply a number by itself 3 times. 3 cubed. Cube means 3. Cube means 3. Square means 2. Cube means 3. So 3 cubed. 3 cube means 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 cube. So 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 equal to 9 3s are 27 equal to 27. To a cube number, just multiply a number by itself. Itself 3 times, by itself 3 times. The cube root of a number is the value that then cubed gives a original number. For example, the cube root of 27 is a 3. Cube root of 27 is 3 because when cubed we get 27. When 3 cubed we get 27. So for example, 3 cubed equal to 3 cube equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Cube root vocabulary. So cube means, n means index, x means radicand, and root means radical sign. So n means index, root means radical sign. So x means radicand. The cube root of a number x is denoted as root. For example, cube root x. So 3 means index. So root means radical sign. X means radicand. 1 cube equal to 1. 2 cube equal to 8. So 3 cube equal to 27. 4 cube equal to 64. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So 5 cube equal to 125. So 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So 6 cube 216. 7 cube equal to 343. 8 cube equal to 512. 9 cube equal to 729. So the cube root of x is 3 because when 3 is a cubed. So 1 cube equal to 1, 2 cube equal to 8, 3 cubes equal to 27, 4 cube equal to 64, 5 cube equal to 125, 6 cubes equal to 216, 7 cube equal to 343, 8 cube equal to 512, 9 cube equal to 729, 10 cube equal to 1000. Properties of a cube roots. If a and b are any two whole numbers, then root cube. So intact. 3 means intact. So inside the root, inside having a into b. So root a into root b. So intact 3 root a into intact 3 root b. So root means radical signs, b means radicand. So if a and b are two whole numbers, then root a by b. So root a by root b. Properties of a square root. If a and b are any two whole numbers, root a into b equal to root a into root b. So multiply by separate. Multiply by the terms root a into root b. If a and b are any two whole numbers, then root a by b equal to root a by root b. Cube root. The cube root of a number is a special value that when used in a multiplication 3 times given that number. So for example, already know that example. So cube means this is a cube. So cube means height, base, side. Height, base, side. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So the cube root of a 27 is 3. The cube root of a number is a special value that when used in a multiplication 3 times. Multiplication 3 times. The cube root of 27 is 3 because when 3 cubed we get 27. So cube root. So 3 is a, what is a 3? What is a 3? 3 is a intact. 3 is a intact. So root means radical sign. So cube root inside having radicand. Very good. So next one, cube roots. So root 3, taking the cube root of a perfect cube will give you the dimension of one edge of the cube. Dimension of one edge of the cube. So dimension of one edge of the cube. So that means root 27. So root inside having 27. So 3 is a intact, 3 cube. So root 27. What is a square? What is a cube root of 27? Value 3. Cube root of 27 value 3. The cube root of a symbol. This is a special symbol that means cube root. It is a radical symbol. It is a radical symbol with a little 3 to mean a cube. Cube root. Root 27 equal to 3. This would be said the cube root of 27 equals 3. Cube root. Just like a square root or the opposite of a squaring number, cube root are the opposite of a cubing number. Opposite of a squaring number, cube root are the opposite of a cubing number. The cube root goes in the other direction, x cube. That is an inverse operation. So that is an inverse operation is root x. Intacs having 3, root x. So 3 root 64. So what is a cube root of 64? So already you know already you studied. So 4 cube. 4 cube. About 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So 4 is a cube root of 64. 4 is a cube root of 64. So just like the square root or the opposite of a squaring number, cube roots are the opposite of a cubing number. So x cube. So x cube is the inverse operation of root x. So 3 root x. That is an inverse operation. X cube is an inverse operation of 3 root x. These are the sum of the perfect cubes of a whole number. So square root cubes. Square root cubes. Root 1 equal to 1. Root 4 equal to 2. So square root. Already you studied the square root. So 9 is a square root of 3. 16 is a square root of 4. 25 is a square root of 5. 36 is a square root of 6. 49 is a square root of 7. So these are the square root of the number. So cubes. Cubes means 1 cube 1. 2 cube 8. 3 cube 27. So remaining etc. 12 cube is equal to 1728. Did you understand? Finding cube roots using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So already know that the prime factorization of square root is 8000. So 8000 equal to, so just like a prime factorization. Definition of prime numbers. What is some prime numbers? It is divided by itself. It is divided by itself. These the prime number. So L division method. Prime factorization method is a L division method. So take a L division method. 8000 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 into 5 into 5. These are the L division method. These are the L division method. 8000. So already you know that the L division. So root 3 8000 equal to, so take so pair 3 take pair 3. So take a single number. Take a single number 2 into 2 into 5. So take a single number. Take pair of 3. So pair of 3 means single. Pair of 3 means single. Already know that the square root. So take a pair of 2. Take a single number. So that like a same number. So 2 into 2 into 2. Take a single number 2. So 2 into 2 into 2. Single number 2. 5 into 5 into 5. 5. So 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 4 5s are 20. Finding cube roots using the estimation. Using the estimation. Form groups of 3 starting from the rightmost digit. Rightmost digit. 17,576. So already know that the finding the square root using estimation. Same method of finding the cube roots. Take pair of 3. So take pair of 3. So 576, 17. Finding the cube roots using estimation. Step 2. Take 576. So take 3. So square roots take 2. So long finding cube root take 576. The digit is 6 at one's places. 6 at one's places. We will now take 6 as a record cubes on one places. So record cube 6. Record cube 6. So unit digit take a unit digit places 6. So record cube is one's places 6. Properties of a cube numbers. Cube of all even natural are even. Cube of 4 equal to 64, which is an even number. So cube of all odd natural number. Cube of 3, 27. Cube of 3, 27. Cube of natural number of the form 3n is a multiple of 27. 3n is a multiple of 27. Cube of 7, 343. 343. Which of the form 3n plus 1. 3n plus 1. So cube of a natural number of the form 3n plus 1 is also a number. 3n plus 1 is also a number of the form 3n plus 1. Cube of 5 equal to 125. Which of the form 3n plus 2. You can also cube negative numbers. If you cube 5, you get 125. 5 you get 25. Sorry, 125. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. If you cube 5, you get 125. So minus. So negative number. So negative number is also multiplied by the 3 times in a cube. Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So minus 5 is multiplied by 3 times. So minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Already you know that the even negative number is positive. Odd negative number is negative. Odd negative number is negative. So what is so odd negative number? So 3 times minus. So we get minus. We get minus 125. So the cube root of minus 125 is minus 5. Cube root of minus 125 is minus 5. Method of finding a perfect cube. To check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not, resolve the given number into the prime factors. Group together the triples of a like prime factors. If no factor is left ungrouped, the given number is a perfect cube. So already know that the cube. So cube means base, height, base. So side, base, height. Sorry, side, base, height. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. These are the cube. So 8 is a cube root of 2. 8 is a cube root of 2. 64. So 64 is a cube root of 4. 64 is a cube root of 4. Minus 64 is a cube root of minus 4. Already know that. So minus sign get a minus cube root. Plus positive sign is a positive cube root. That's all. 27 equal to 3 cube. 216 6 cube. 64 by 125. Take a L division method. 64. So 64 is a cube root of 4. 125 is a cube root of 5. So whole power 3. Take a whole power 3. So power 3 is a inverse operation. Root 64 by 125. Root 64 by 125. Cube root of root 64 by 125. We get a value 4 by 5. We get a value 4 by 5. Not all cube roots can be simplified. Root 30. 30 is not a perfect cube. 30 is not a perfect cube. Why? 30 does not have a perfect cube factor. Cannot be simplified. Cannot be simplified. So 0 is a single. 0 is a single. So triple. 0 having a triple 0. Triple 0 having a perfect cube. Last three numbers triple 0 having a cube roots. Okay, so it is a single number, single zero that is not a perfect cube. 30 does not have a perfect cube factor. Root 30 cannot be simplified. Root 30 cannot be simplified. 7. Cube of 7 is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. So 12. Cube of 12. Cube of 12 is 12 equal to 12 into 12 into 12. 1728. 16 cube. 16 into 16 into 16. So 16 is multiplied by 3 times. We get a value 4096. 4096. So cube root of 7. 7 into 7 into 7. So we get a value 343. Cube root of 12. 12 into 12 into 12. 1728. Cube root of 16. We get a value 4096. Cube root of 55. Cube root of 55 means 55 into 55 into 55. We get a value 1,66,375. So cube root of 100. 100 into 100 into 100. So multiply the terms. We get a value 10 lakhs. Cube root of 302. 302 into 302 into 302. So multiply by we get a value. So do the sum 302. Okay. Write the next three rows and calculate the values 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 9 cube by above the pattern. According to the given pattern, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 9 cube. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube. So n value, n is equal to 10. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n the whole square. So when n is equal to 10. n is equal to 10. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to plus 9 cube plus 10 cube. So equal to square root. So cube root is equal to the square root. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10 the whole square. 10 the whole square. So added to the plus 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So cube root equal to square root. So 55 the whole square. 55 the whole square. 55 into 55. 3025. 3025. Cube of 21 is 21 into 21 into 21. We get a value 9261. 40 is a cube root of 64,000. 55 is a cube root of 1,66,375. Cube of 100 is 10 lakhs. Observe the following pattern. 1 cube equal to 1. 1 cube plus 2 cube equal to 1 plus 2 the whole square. Already the cube root equal to square root. Okay. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 the whole square. So same method of a question. According to the given pattern, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 9 cube. So up to the cube root is equal to square root. When add to plus 1, n plus 1. So n value is 9, 9 plus 1. So cube root 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 9 cube plus 10 cube equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10 the whole square. So 55 square. So n plus 1 by 2. n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 55 into 55 we get a value 3025. Write the cubes 5 natural numbers of the form 3n plus 2 and verify the following. The cube of a natural number of the form 3n plus 2 is a natural number of the same form when it is divided by 3. The remainder is 2. So we know that the first 5 natural numbers. So we know that the first 5 natural number. So what is a natural numbers? Already know that the natural number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to, these are called the natural number. 3n plus 2 are 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. Let us find the cubes. So 5 cube 125, 8 cube 512, 11 cube 1331, 14 cube 2744, 17 cube 4313. So when divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. 3 leaves remainder 2. The cube of a natural number of the form 3n plus 2 is a natural number of the same form. When it is divided by 3, the remainder is true. It is true. Write the cubes of 5 natural numbers of which are multiplies of 7 and verify the following. The cube of a multiple 7 is multiple of 7 cube. The first 5 natural numbers which are multiple of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28 and 20 and 35 and 35. So these are called the 5 natural number of 7. Multiple of 7. So take a cube root. 7 cube, 14 cube, 21 cube, 28 cube, 35 cube. So we get a value of 7 cube, 14 cube, 21 cube, 28 cube, 35 cube. We found that all these cubes are multiple. 7 cube equal to 343 as well. The statement the cube of a multiple of 7 is multiple of 7 cube is true. 7 cube is true. So 1728. Take a prime factorization method. Prime factorization, take a L division method. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So take a pair of 3. Take a pair of 3. So pair of 3, take a single number 2, 2. So 2 power cube. 4 into 3 the whole power cube equal to 12 cube. So it is a perfect cube. First find the factors of 3087. So take a prime factorization method. 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 3 square into 7 cube. So 3 square into 7 cube. It is a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. 4680. So same method of prime factorization method. Finding the factor of 4608. So take a prime factorization. 2 into 2 into 3 into 113. It is a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. So remaining sums are you do the remaining sums. Okay. 675. Finding the factors of 675. So 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5. So it is a perfect cube. We need to multiply by the product of 5. So to make a perfect cube, we need to multiply by the product of 5. So 3 cube into 5 square. Next one, 1323. Same method. So take a prime factorization method. So product by 7. So 7 square. Product by 7. Find first find the prime factor of 2560. So take a L division method. So next one is a multiply by the number. Okay. Same method, do the sums. So 8640. First find the prime factors of 8640. So 8640, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So I take a L division method. Next one is a, so last unit place digit 0. So single digit. So sorry, unit place 0 having a single. So it is a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. So 3 zeros, 3, 6, 9, having 3, 6, 9. These are called the cube. Form a cube root. So 8640 is not a perfect cube. 1600. It is a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. Last 3 digit is a, last 2 digit having a 0. So it is a perfect cube, not a perfect cube. Okay. What happens to the cube of a number if the number is multiplied by 3? What happens to the cube of a number if the number is multiplied by 3? 3. Let us consider the number as a So it is a cube will be a cube. So take a number a. Let us consider a. So it is a cube will be a cube. According to the question, the number is multiplied by 3. So new number becomes 3a. The cube of a new number, 3a the whole cube. 3a the whole cube. So 27a cube. So 3 into 3 into 3, 27a cube. So the number will becomes 27 times the cube of a number. 27 times the cube of a number. Find the volume of a cube, one face of which has an area of 64 meter square. We know that the given area for one face of a cube 64 meter square. One face of a cube 64 meter square. Let the length of a edge of a cube meter. So length of a edge of the meter, cube of a cube be a meter. A square equal to 64. A is equal to root 64. So we get a value 8 meter. The volume of a cube, a cube. So first one is a length of a meter. So meter means square root. So take a square equal to 64. So take a inverse operation method. A is equal to root 64. 8m. So volume of a cube, a cube. A into 8. So 512. Volume of a cube is 512 meter cube. Thank you. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.